have discovered a new method to make money online as an African. With this website, you can make money for every 2 minutes of work. If you are interested in making money online, you must follow each step outlined in the video. This website is completely free and it is available worldwide. Before we delve in, please do subscribe to this channel. Show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to share them in the comment section below. Now let's jump in. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to Google. Ensure you have an internet connection. Google will be our starting point for this method. Step 2. Go to Google and search the keyword Capterra. So this is the name of the website that you're going to make money. Click on the first link that appears and it will lead you to the website. On this website, you will find a lot of software and programs waiting to be reviewed. Our job will be to give reviews to these companies. A lot of companies want good reviews for their software programs, and this is how we are going to make our money. The beauty of this opportunity is that you don't need to purchase or use the software to write reviews. You can complete the task in less than 2 minutes, and I'm going to show you how to do it. You will notice that Capterra offers 800 different categories of software, each containing numerous programs available for review. You can earn $20 for every 5 minutes of work by writing reviews. I will demonstrate how to complete this task in under 2 minutes, enabling you to earn $10 to $20 without investing in the software yourself. Capterra has over 1 million verified software reviews. It shows you that you can make money with this platform. Step 3. Click on the write review option and it will redirect you to a page where you can select from thousands of companies and products to review. Potential buyers often seek online reviews, even myself, before purchasing software or digital products. Positive reviews significantly influence a person's decision-making process, which is why Capterra is willing to compensate you for your valuable feedback. Step 4 is finding the software product you want to review. You will find a wide range of popular software products available for review. I'm going to choose a software called QuickBooks, but there are other thousands of software options available for you to review. So this is how you are going to save time and effort. Copy the name of the website or the software that you're going to review and Google it. This step will provide you insights from other reviewers, allowing you to craft your own review, but avoid simply copying and pasting content. The last step is, once you have selected a product to review, you'll be prompted to provide basic information about yourself. Ensure you complete all necessary fields, as this increases your chance of earning money. Additionally, consider filling out optional sections for higher chance of acceptance. After you submit your review, you will receive $20 for just a few minutes of work. Remember, the more detailed and genuine your review is, the greater your earning will be. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on how Africans can make money online. Also, there are other videos I made on websites to make money online as African. Please do watch them.